Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I'm a dork. All right, y'all. What's up, y'all? We here for another video of an acrylic pour, which I know you love. All right, so you can kind of see a little bit up there on my fingers. I'm crushing your head. Kids in the hall, anybody? I'm crushing your head. I'm crushing your head. You can see this project here. Looking at some other videos, I did 2 swipes, exact same colors, just swipe the opposite way. That's what that was from. Anyways, there's a little bit of paint left over here, and I decided to pour them all in this cup. And then I did a little bit of black and white on the top, sprayed a little bit of silicone on the top. There is silicone already mixed in the colors, not in the black and the white, although you can see it breaking up from me spraying it on top. And I'm going to just do a flip pour, and or not even a pour really. What would you call it? A flip swip? I don't even know what you'd call it, but let's do it. Already got it all mixed. I might put the colors in the description below. If not, it'll be on the other video with the other swipes. Blah 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 blah. Here we go. Okay. And when I do that, I like to let it sit for a minute. Not a full minute, but let it sit for a little bit. Kind of tap it, help it go down. Tap it in. And then we'll lift it up here in just a second. Okay, so quit rushing me, you guys. Quit rushing me. Quit bum rushing me. Quit Moscow rushing me. Quit running back rush. Okay, quarterback. I can't think of any other puns. And those really weren't puns. That was just me pretty much just talking and being a dork. So we're about to lift this up. Are you guys excited? Hi. All right. I'm not doing this because I'm about to lift this. I'm practicing my Mr. Miyagi before he fixes Daniel-san's shoulder. Here, Daniel-san. Ah, much better. All right. I think we are about good. A lot of people like to move it all around. I do that sometimes, but not today. Now, if you're thinking it's a little bit dark, it's probably nighttime. Why did he say today when he meant tonight? God, you know what? You don't need to be so picky. You, right there. You, the one that's looking at my little out of focus finger right there. Stop being so picky. Okay, well, so you might have thought my rambling was a little too much, but it's actually a good thing I did because my card, the camera just stopped because my card was full. And if I would have not been making those stupid jokes for that extra minute, I would have been right in the middle of my pour when the camera stopped, and you great people would have been deprived of my glorious creations. And I don't want to do that to you. I wouldn't wish that upon my worst enemy. I might wish death and a life of absolute horror for them, but I wouldn't wish them to miss my art. I mean, come on. Okay, I'm in a weird mood today. I don't know why I'm acting like this. All right, let's do it. I already fixed Daniel-san's shoulder. All right, we're good. So here we go. Oh my, ooh, look at that. I like it a lot. Okay, get rid of that cup. We're done with that cup. Ooh, that looks cool. See, I didn't do silver or gray in there. I just kind of kept mixing the black and the white, but it's giving it a nice little gray look there. Yeah, Mamma Mia. I like this one. You know, the problem is every time you start to move it, it starts to lose its whatever, and you know, But what are you gonna do? You gotta move it. You can't just let it sit there. So I'm gonna try to kind of keep the center in there as much as I can. Just, you know, I know I'm gonna lose it. I mean, not lose it, but it's gonna start to go to the sides. But well, let's just try to cover as much of the canvas as we can. I guess it's not a canvas. That'd be multiple canvases. This is just one. I just said that'd be multiple canvases. Should I have said that'd be multiple canvas? I know canvas is not the plural of canvas. I don't need any English teachers out there to correct me. But if cacti can be the plural of cactus, if octopi can be the plural of octopus, then I'm going to say canvas is the plural of canvas. There's nothing you can do about it. All right. Gosh darn it, man. Oh man, I don't want to lose those cool cells and that cool color there, but what are you going to do? We got to... it's getting late. We got to get some sleep, so I think we're just going to have to do it here. Let's, okay, let me try a little more. Trippy, bruh. Hey, bruh. The way you're tilting that paint's trippy, bruh. I wonder how many people are gonna watch this video and just mute me. Like, okay, I can't stand this dude. Yeah, I tell you. You sign up for Rusty Hinge Design, you're signing up for a world of pain, my friends. A world of pain. Alright. Okay, I think what I'm gonna have to do here is just bite the bullet and let it sort of try to catch a little bit of my finger until I get the side. Come on over, Rover. Let Jimmy take over. There you go. Alright, let's turn it a little bit here. Let's come back this way here. Yeah, it's just gonna, you know what? It's just gonna have to break open a little bit. That's just all there is to it. The only reason I'm holding it on the side there is because I don't want to. I'm sorry, I'm tilting it opposite, you guys. You know what? Here, I'm sorry. I'll just get this finger dirty. I tilt better to the right. I don't know why. It's like the Seinfeld episode. I go left, he goes right. But I want you guys to be able to see. So. See, whoa, oh my gosh, I almost lost it, folks. Almost lost it. But do you see the pain and the suffering I go through for you guys? I really hope you appreciate it, because I don't think you guys do. I think that I don't know, I was gonna say something stupid like usual, but I couldn't think of anything. Alright, there we go. Whoa, this one's looking pretty cool. Actually, I'm liking the way that's stretching. I'm gonna keep going with that. Alright, we got all the sides covered. Almost. Let's get this one a little more. Let's get a little more back over here. That is so weird the way that the gray or the white and the black is turning gray, and the way it's running together there. Yeah, see, I don't like the gray as much. I like, yeah, I'm gonna go back this way. Let's get rid of a little bit of that gray there. I like the way that top part looks better. Can you guys still see that? Oh shoot, sorry. Got so much light going on in here. Yeah, I like that better. Try to even it out a little tiny bit. Go this way a little bit. Oh, let's go this way a little more. I want to get a little more of that blue in there. So, you know, you just kind of watch it and just, it's never going to turn out exactly how you pour it, you know. You always have to kind of mess with it there a little bit, but I'm pretty happy with that. That looks pretty cool. I like, oops, it's touching the other one. Did I get, oh okay, make sure. You know what, let's do, oh come on, don't do that on me now, come on, get right. Give him some of that act right. Alright, let me, where's that white spot I just saw? Right there, I think. A little bit of white there, that's okay. White over here, a little tiny bit right there. Sorry, blocking here a little bit right there, a little bit right there, a little tiny bit right there. But other than that, we're looking good. Yeah, that one came out looking really cool. I like this one. Beautiful colors in there. That is beautiful. All right, let me dry my hands off and I will give you guys a little bit of a closer look. And I will show you, if you haven't watched the other videos with the two opposite swipes there, like I say, I apologize, because we've got so many videos waiting to be created there. I don't a lot of times know what I'm going to title it until I kind of get done, but it'll be something to do with opposite swipe or same colors but opposite swipe or something like that. So if you look that up, you'll see the other ones, but I'll still show you here in just a second. So first, let me back up. Those are the other two I did. So I did the exact same colors. I did them in the same order. I just swiped the opposite way. This one I swiped from white all the way to dark. And this one I swiped from dark all the way to white. And the leftover colors, I poured them in one cup and put it, I was about to make a joke about the one cup, but we'll leave that alone. I poured them in there and yeah, and they came out on this one. Look at this, is really cool. I'm loving this one. Look at all that. I'm just providing background music for you guys. There. Yeah, a little 6x6 canvas in case you're wondering. And it's 6 foot by 6 foot. Is I'm just really big, so that's why it looks small. I'm like 18 feet tall, so that's why it looks small. But yeah, it's a 6 foot by 6 foot canvas. And obviously, I'm joking. 6 inches by 6 inches. No, this one is, I think it's 8 inches by 8 inches, I think. Yeah, because we got our other little 6 inch by 6 inch ones over here that we use for stuff. There's all of our different ones that are drying right now. And then we've got even more over here that are drying way over there. Got our table there with a bunch drying. So we're knocking these puppies out. We need to start making some money selling these puppies, so hopefully people like them. My son always says, why do you say puppies? Why do you call them the puppies? They're not puppies. And I'm like, it's just a saying. What does that mean? It's like just something people say, but why? They're not puppies. Your 4-year-old mind is so curious and I love it, but sometimes just stop asking me. He's gonna watch this later and be like, Dad, you're a punk. No, but yeah, this one came out really cool, man. Look at look at that, like the way that blue, gosh darn it, I keep getting close and it goes out of focus. But that blue right there and the way it mixed with the white, you know, almost, there's no purple in there, but obviously it looks like purple with the way they're blending together. I love this one. That's beautiful. Really beautiful. So I hope you guys liked it too. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We will see you on the next one. Thank you.